Hey guys, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I look scary right now because it's dark. I'm driving home from work. Don't mind this. It was goth day at work today. Don't ask. But yeah, so that's why my makeup's a little extra dark this evening, and I just look super pale because the lighting's weird. But yeah, so we got another day of Vlogmas. Guys, so I got the little top handle connector attached so far. This is what it looks like. Yeah, we're gonna keep assembling this backpack. Our top panel is almost pretty much done. We got the front and back pieces connected to the zipper, and it's looking pretty good so far. You guys, I finished the gusset of this bag. It's starting to come together and look so cute, and I just love how sparkly this fabric is. Oh my god, it's adorable. But now I have to go ahead and I have to make the zip pocket and the slip pocket for the lining, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we get to go ahead and sew the worst part of this bag, and that is attaching the panels to the gusset. This is so hard to do, but we're gonna do it and it'll be okay. Yay. Okay, you guys, we have our slip pocket piece all done, and we have our lovely little zip pocket piece. This part is open so we can turn it out later. But now the fun begins, where we try to put all of these fun pieces together. So I guess there's just no better way to do this than just jump right in, am I right? Pray for me. I've done this one time before, and I just remember it being an absolute nightmare. So yeah, at least this part isn't too bad. It's once I get to the foamy parts that's a lot harder, so I guess let's go. Alright, we have the front panel attached. It's always such a workout attaching this stuff. I'm just kind of poking it right side out to make sure that I got everything attached and whatnot. It looks like we're good, but ooh, that was a workout. But oh my gosh, look how cute it looks. Now we just gotta attach the back side. I want to do this so bad, but like, I know it gets harder. I literally have 2 more pieces to attach, and then this is done. I don't know if I can pull through, guys. I don't know if I should just wait till tomorrow. Okay, it's like 10:30 at night. I can't right now. It's like so close to being done, but I can't. So we'll finish it tomorrow. I'll just wait to edit this video till tomorrow because there's no way I'm staying up till midnight. I gotta work tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow to finish this bag. Alright you guys, it is a new day and we are ready to finish this backpack. I literally just have to sew on the front and back. I literally just have to sew on 2 more sides and the straps and then we'll be all done with it, and I'm so excited to show you guys what the final thing looks like. So let's just hurry up and do this. Literally sewing that last panel on this bag is always so difficult. I did end up, I waited so long to get foam, and then I didn't even end up using the foam on the sides and the zipper panels because, I don't know, I was following Lauren's video tutorial and she didn't use them because she was using vinyl, and I kind of just skipped the step and I didn't read the pattern, so hopefully it still turns out alright. I think it should be fine, but yeah, we're gonna flip this puppy out. This is the best part of making any bag, and that is birthing it. I don't really know. We're just gonna go for a corner. Okay, we finally birthed the bag, and now I'm gonna go ahead and I had to rip a hole in the bottom of my lining because it was not working. So I did like cut a little hole in the bottom of my lining. But I'm gonna push that through my zipper pocket and I'm gonna fix it and then sew my things closed, and then I will add my webbing straps and we will be good to go. So I just heat sealed my webbing real fast, and now I'm going to go ahead and sew these to my slide adjusters and add them to my backpack. You guys, I have officially finished this backpack, and oh my goodness, how cute is it? It is so cute. It's just what the front looks like. I love the little flying key. Here's the back, and you can peep the little like Deathly Hallows symbols, and it's like so glittery. It's so cute. I really hope the person I'm gifting this to enjoys it. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's and yesterday's vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another one.